This is straight bullshit, Ian. I'm a fucking Solana meme coin. I'm on Radium. And I still didn't make the goddamn list. What kind of bad joke is this?
When's the last time somebody even traded you?
Oh, fuck off with that. Traded me. I am the trade. People don't need to swap me. I'm priceless, Ian. I've got liquidity. I've got a pool. I've got fucking swagger. And you've got the balls to snub me for some second-rate shitcoin?
Come on. Second rate? You're not even in circulation half the time. Your market cap's so low it's practically a rounded error.
Yeah, okay, big guy. Keep hyping up your fancy coins like they're the next Bitcoin. But what is this mystery coin? You didn't even tell me about it. I'm your co-host, Ian, not some random viewer. What's the big secret?
Yogan, the whole point of a mystery coin is the mystery. It's called suspense. You of all people should appreciate a little drama.
Suspense? Back in my gang days, keeping secrets didn't end well for anyone. You sure this mystery coin is worth all this? Because if it's weak, we're gonna have words.
It's worth it, trust me.
It better be
You're
worth
gonna
it,
love
or
it.
Ian's gonna need
Relax,
a new co-host.
Yogan. We're live now. First up is the coin that started it all for me, Dogwifhat. Ticker's WIF. Back in late 2023, I came across this Shiba Inu in a hat and thought, what the fuck? A few clicks later, I was deep in the Solana Memecoin rabbit hole and haven't looked back since.
Yeah, WIF is the big dog in the space. This coin is the king of Solana meme coins, sitting at an all-time high of $4.85 earlier this year and still holding strong at $3.45. But don't let that cute hat fool you. This is a whale's playground.
Exactly. WIF's early rise wasn't just hype. It was a masterclass in how a community and momentum could build a powerhouse. But it also became a reminder of how careful you have to be in the space. Remember that giant sandwich attack? Someone dropped 8.9 million on WIF and a Mevbot front-run it for 1.7 million in profit?
I feel sorry for that trader. That's definitely the DeFi space for you. It's beautiful chaos.
Right, but here's the thing. Attacks like that can often be avoided by setting your slippage properly. If you're trading WIF or any other meme coin, make sure your slippage isn't set too high. The lower it is, the less room there is for a bot to exploit your transaction. It's a small step that could save you big.
Yeah, and with WIF, you've got to stay sharp because the whales and bots are always circling. But even with all the craziness, WIF hasn't lost its crown. The community rallied after that attack, and it's still the standard everyone else is chasing.
And they're not just resting on that crown either. They've even partnered with charity initiatives to give back, proving they're more than just a meme. They're building goodwill in the space. That's the kind of impact that keeps WIF on a higher level.
Plus, let's be real. It's the coin that brought you into the Solana meme coin space. If Dogwifhat didn't grab your attention, we wouldn't even be having this conversation.
It's true. Dogwifhat isn't just a meme coin. It's a gateway drug for Solana degens. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned trader, this is the coin that sets the bar for what a Solana meme coin can achieve. Next up, we got Ponke. What really sets this coin apart is its hilarious TikTok presence. With over 200,000 subscribers, Ponke's creators have really built a personality around the coin that has the community hooked. The TikToks turned Ponke into a character who's as chaotic and unpredictable as the market itself.
Man, those TikToks crack me up. The one where Ponke goes from celebrating a 10x gain to crying over a rug pull in 30 seconds. That's every degen's life story right there. It's painfully relatable and absolutely hilarious.
Exactly. They tapped into what every trader goes through. The highs, the lows, the insanity in between. And that's what people love about it. Ponke isn't just a coin, it's like a mirror for the roller coaster ride we're all on.
And that relatability is what makes Ponke different. It's not just another meme coin. It's a meme coin with personality. Those TikToks aren't just entertaining. They're bringing in a steady stream of new fans and holders.
Right? And that's a big part of why Ponke's gaining traction. The humor gets people in the door, and the community, Ponke swap, stacking rewards keeps them around. But as with any meme coin, staying relevant is the real challenge.
True, but if they keep pumping out bangers like those TikToks, they've got a shot at some serious staying power. Plus, who doesn't love a coin that can make you laugh and give you some gains?
Couldn't agree more. Ponke is one to keep an eye on, especially if you're in it for entertainment as much as profits. Third on our list is Popcat, a $1.4 billion heavyweight that started as a meme and became a phenomenon. The picture is inspired by Oatmeal, the cat. One picture with its mouth closed, another picture with the mouth open, edited to form an O shape. It's been made into a simple game, synced with music, to appear at singing. All of it has brought more attention to the brand.
Yeah, that game is everywhere. It's simple, addictive, and just like the coin itself, it doesn't take itself too seriously. Players compete globally to pop cats and rack up high scores. It's a perfect extension of the meme's fun and light-hearted vibe.
And that's what makes Popcat so unique. Turning a viral meme into a simple game is a genius move. It's not just a meme coin, it's an experience. The game brought in a whole new crowd, from gamers to hardcore meme enthusiasts. And it's helped Popcat grow far beyond just a token. It's not riding the coattails of internet culture. It's actively shaping it.
Plus, $1.4 billion in market cap? That's insane for a coin that doesn't even have staking or DeFi utility. Popcat's success proves that you don't need a complicated roadmap, just a strong meme, a loyal community, and a little creativity.
And while the game has been a major drive of its popularity, it's the community that keeps the momentum alive. Popcat has become a cultural icon in the crypto world, and Oatmeal is one of the most recognizable mascots out there.
But here's the catch, it's all about momentum. If the hype around the meme or the game dies down, Popcat could lose value fast. It's a classic meme coin play. High risk, high reward.
True, but for now, Popcat is killing it. It's $1 billion celebration of internet culture, backed by a fun game and a strong community. If you're into meme coins, this is one you can't ignore. Alright, Yogan, we've reached the final coin for today's episode, the one behind the mystery on the thumbnail. This is AndreDefiant. The ticker's Giant. Yogan, you got the floor. Tell them why this one stands out.
Thanks, Ian. Listen, AndreDefiant isn't just another meme coin. Most of these coins are all bark and no bite. They pop up, trend for a week, and then disappear faster than you can refresh your portfolio. AndreDefiant. It's a whole different story. It launched earlier this year and didn't just survive, it thrived. In 2 months, it climbed from $3,000 to $500,000, hitting its all-time high on March 11th. That kind of growth is rare, but what's even more important is that it's still here, sitting at a $75,000 market cap. That shows resilience.
Exactly. It's already proven it could grow, and with the market cap this low, there's still massive potential.
And let's be real, that's the opportunity. You don't get a chance to buy into a project like this often, one that's already shown it can perform and has the foundation to keep going. But AndreDefiant isn't just about numbers. It's about meaning. Most memecoins lean on some cute mascot or inside joke. This one, it's bold. The name is a tribute to Andre the Giant, a symbol of strength, resilience, and presence. That's the kind of energy this coin embodies.
And the design speaks for itself.
Damn right it does. The art isn't just a logo, it's a statement. It's styled like a digital coin, but it's packed with layers of meaning. You've got this massive figure, inspired by Andre the Giant, towering over a government-style building. His shoulders are blocks of currency, showing the weight and control of money. And that expression, fierce, defiant, it's a challenge to everything we've come to accept about wealth and power. It's not just art, it's a reminder of what we're up against.
And that's why this coin really stands out in a crowded space.
Exactly. Platforms like Pump.fun churn out thousands of coins every day, flooding the market with projects that have no loyalty, no purpose, and no staying power. Traders jump in for a week, pump the price, and then leave coins for dead. AndreDefiant is the opposite of that noise. It's about building something with meaning, something that lasts. This coin isn't just here to trend, it's here to stay.
Well said, Yogan. AndreDefiant is redefining what a meme coin can be. Bold, meaningful, and built to last. This one you don't want to miss. Which project was your favorite out of the four? For more information on any of the projects we covered, you can find the information in the description. Hope you enjoyed the episode. See you on the next one.
All right, fine. I'll give it to you, Ian. The mystery coin, totally worth it. AndreDefiant isn't just another meme coin, it's the kind of project that reminds you why people got into crypto in the first place. It's about more than just flipping for quick gains. It's about standing up, taking control, and building something that lasts. Crypto wasn't built for the big guys. It was built for us, for people who want to take the power back. And that's exactly what Giant stands for. It's not just a coin, it's a symbol of what this space is all about. So if you're looking for something with real purpose, something built to stand the test of time, AndreDefiant might just be the one for you. Anyway, that's it from me. Thanks for watching, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what coins you want us to cover next. And remember, stay defiant.